And after Kapil Sibal's attack on Monday on the manner in which their protests have come about, there's been yet another setback for the IITs. The IIMs too now seem to be backing down from coming together with the IITs on a common platform and taking on the HRD ministry over pay and autonomy.
Some of the IIM faculty expressed some interest in coming for the meeting on Monday. Hence, they were invited to the meeting, but there is no question of goading anyone into such an action.
I'm not a member of trade union. So I don't want that we should use the means that people will use to create pressure.
The first casualty of HRD Minister Kapil Sibal's tough talk on Tuesday. Even before the photo op, the united front of the IITs and IIMs against the Education Ministry is crumbling. In a clear signal to the IITs, the top business schools of the country, the IIMs made it clear for now they will mind their own business. Two of the IIMs were supposed to attend the IIT Faculty Federation meeting in Kolkata, but backed out at the last minute.
It is split wide open. IIMs do not want to take the IIT route by taking their protests in the public domain.
And the ministry is more than keen to take them up on this. IIM Ahmedabad board is meeting on Friday. The institute's directors forum will meet on Saturday, which is expected to be attended by all 6 directors. But the IITs may have lost their chance.
And I wish they had all come to me and said, this is our vision of the 21st century IITs. This is how we want to move forward. So instead of talking about pay band 4, let's talk of 2024.
Whoever holds the purse strings will have the final say. After one saw a combative Kapil Sibal yesterday, now that message seems to have gone down to the IITs as well. Which is why tomorrow's hunger strike, they now say, will actually be a fast. Not to back down or take on the HRD ministry, but to simply register their protest. With Joydeep Ray in Ahmedabad, in New Delhi, Manu Sharma, for NDTV.
Tuba.com